All right, starting off right here for the S&P 500 for Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024. There's a lot to cover, a lot of good trades going on right now, so here we go. So starting off right here, we have an A, B, C, D trade set up. You can see the A, B, C, D right there all the way down, and so you put the semaphore on points, the shift pitchfork on points right here, B, C, D, or 2, 3, 4. And so when price closed above the blue line right there, signal go long. We'll get the previous day's highs and lows out there to go long. And then it came back into 23.6. So then the original exit was 1.146, but went down and hit the 50. And so we moved the exit to just below the previous close of the high of the move, which would have been right there. So that's how I have my 3 contracts right there. Went down, hit all the 88, and the 88 was obviously the support line for whatever reason for this, but hit the 88.6, didn't even close, one tick past it, and now it's going up. So hopefully tomorrow the price will continue to go up, hit it right there, go fill that, and close out this for a nice trade right here for the S&P 500. So yeah, we do have a live setup right here. If I wasn't in, I would be looking at getting in. Actually, I'd get in right now, but then at 5 o'clock when it reopens, definitely look at getting in. But anyways, that's that. For the Russell 2000, we have a setup. I did just get out of it because I just wanted to make sure that I had enough margin going in the overnight session for it. So I got out with a slight profit over here. You can see I still have a buy limit down over here. So when the market opens again at 5 o'clock, I'm going to look to get back in. And then if the market moves down some, I'll look to get in some more in it. But what we have here is it's the inside pitchfork trade, and here you have the first semaphore, second, there's the third and fourth red that are within the first and second. So we put the inside pitchfork on points 1, 2, and 3 right here. So then when price went up here, closed above the teal line right there, that was a signal to go in. Then we just wait for the pullback. There's the first one, there's the second one right over here, and let's see where else it went. Yeah, that was yesterday, and then going into today over here, it looked like it was going up, but then we had a sharp sell-off right there, so got in again, got in 2 orders at the 1.146. So when it hit that, the exit moves up here to the 23.6, and price had started to come up a little bit. So like I said, at 5 o'clock when the market reopens, I'm gonna look to get back in over here, and then my exit will be right this, oh, it's 23.6, so it'd be probably about right over there, somewhere like right in there, something like that. You can see that's the exit. There's a lot of orders up in here that sold this thing off so fast, but that's where my exit will be for it. And then if the market does go down some more, I'll look to get in a couple more contracts before we get out. So 2 really nice ones. Now for the Dow Jones, we have a short setup here in the Dow Jones. This is going back to yesterday right here. Here we have the, let's see here, there's points 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 right there, using the orange semaphores. And to make a red, you have to have an orange in it. So that's 3 and 4. So we put the shift pitchforks on points 1, 2, and 3. Then we just wait for the breakout. So it came out down here. Here we put that on, hit 23.6, never hit the 1.146 down here. Went up to 50, and then so the exit would have been down here at the lowest close. But then today we went up and, or excuse me, yesterday hit the 1.146, and we can see that this has been the what's the word I'm looking for, the ceiling for it. It's not really going past that one right there, and so we're just waiting for price to continue to move down and eventually go ahead and hit us to get out right there. There's the hard exit, this one down here, the 23.6 line. Like I said, I always have my stuff a little bit ahead of it, and so that's that. If price does go back up a little bit more and hits the 1.44 at the top right here, I have another contract to get in right there. So another great setup here going into Friday tomorrow. Going into the oil right here. And what we have, I was watching this thing all day today, and it finally just got confirmed, because I mean today was just constantly going up. Look at it, it's just constant. This is just straight up right here is just fib trades down to 88.6 up to the 1.146, down to 23.6, 38.2, up to the 1.146, not even down there. They're at 23.6, so this could be the first kind of like weakness in the move right here, because even if we follow it right here for it down about the 78.6, go up and hit the target area, and then we go retrace it again down to the 50, 61.8, up to the target area, down 23.6 up to target area, and so then we are there to go down to 23.6, but didn't hit the target area at the 1.146 for that fib trade. So we'll see if this is finally going to be it where it's going to come out the downside. And so what we're looking for, since we have that fourth one for the A, B, C, D finally confirmed up here, is we're going to leave that we're not moving the pitchfork anymore. We're going to leave it on points 2, 3, 4 or points B, C, D for it. And so if price, depending on which way it closes, if it doesn't make an orange semaphore down here and continues to go up, then this one would get erased and we have to get another one. But if price comes down, closes below the blue line down there, then that's a signal to go short, with the original exit being the white line down here. But 98% of the times it comes back up and hits the Fibonacci to get us in the Fibonacci trade. So that is what we'll be looking for, retracing back up to the 23.6. And so that's what we're looking at. That's the main trade looking at going into tomorrow for oil. We do have this other one that I left on here because if the price does continue to go up, it closes above the green line, then that would be a long setup over there, with the original target being up way up here, the yellow line, you know, up at the $87, $88. But more than likely we would do the Fibonacci trades, which would be really nice because it would be a very, very nice retracement and move up for it, because we take the low of the move for that. And then last but not least, going into the Nasdaq right here, we have, this is an A, B, C, D trade setup. Here is the A right here. Here's the B. Here's the C. And then finally, that is the D down there. So we put the exits on point B, C, and D, the low right there. And the reason why we don't use this low is because there wasn't another one that confirmed up here on this side up here for it. So that's why we're not using that semaphore. We're using this semaphore. So price went up, broke above it right there. There's top, hit back 23.6, hit the 50, which moves the exit to the green box, which is the highest close of the previous move. And so right now we're just waiting for it to go up and get that hit going into Friday right there. Still have another exit or another entry by the 8.6, the 1.146 and 1.14, but hopefully in the overnight session or going into tomorrow, we can just get a little pop up right over there, finish that one out for a real nice trade. How much more is that? Yeah, 0.23%. So it should go up there unless, you know, we could get a complete down day where we don't get any type of move up, but hopefully, hopefully there's not any major news or anything like that to the downside. At least the overnight session, we can go up here and get that filled. So yeah, a lot going on, a lot of great trades right now. You know, waiting for the only one we're waiting on is this one in oil. And then as soon as the market opens back up over here, we're going to look to get in right here and take it up to about right in here-ish for hopefully about a 14-point move. We'll see what happens when the market opens back up over here. But anyways, if you made it this long, feel free to please like and subscribe the video, and just if it helps you out at all, gives you some trading ideas. And also, my son and his cousin have their own channel, the Gaming Layer. Was it Game Layer? It's a Game Layer. Gaming Layer, where they play a bunch of Fortnite and other games. And so look for that one, like and subscribe as well, and have a good one. Thanks, bye.